All right guys, as you can see today we have a new Tundra in the shop. This thing is the limited TRD off-road. It is a super nice truck and it belongs to Always Moving Forward. This is an awesome organization, works with veterans to get them outdoors, away from the cities, doing stuff like hunting, fishing, snowboarding, and then off-roading. We hope to be a part of this organization in the future for off-roading stuff because really love what they're doing and even just the science behind getting away from the cities, getting out into nature. So go check these guys out on Instagram. They brought us a beautiful cutting board and I couldn't be more thankful. And the money from those things, if you guys go and buy them, goes towards helping this organization out. So definitely a big believer in that. So basically what we're doing on this truck is we're gonna do our power system up here. So the Garmin PowerSwitch, the dual kit, we're gonna do it with a single. And then that's our V2 kit that we're gonna install on this truck. And then we have lights going on down here. So basically stacking this thing with Baja Designs, get them all wired up, installed, and get him on his way for now. And then in the future, I'm sure we'll be doing more stuff to this truck. All right guys, so that wraps it up for this install. Obviously we did our single or dual Garmin PowerSwitch setup. He will be switching over to the dual eventually, throwing a second PowerSwitch on there. So got all that prepped for him. And then obviously we have a nice array of Baja Designs lights down here. The shop that did the bumper install has a couple more things to do in here for him. So he's gonna head over there and then they'll get these lights mounted up. We did pre-wire them though, so that's why those light bars aren't mounted right now. But nice array of Baja Designs lights. This thing's gonna throw a ton of light down the road, make sure that he's safe when they go out on these adventures with all of the vets that they're sponsoring and working with, when they're snowboarding, hunting, fishing, camping, off-roading trips, whatever it may be. So just getting this thing even more rigged out and better for all of their needs. So if you need any of these products, Garmin PowerSwitch kit, lights, any of that, head over to blazeoffroad.com, check that stuff out. As always, if you have any electrical questions, you can drop the questions below in the comments or shoot us an email right through the website, contact us form, shoot us whatever questions you may have. Always happy to answer. We know electrical can be kind of confusing for people, so we want to make it as easy and as painless as possible. Thank you.